Study so fast you'll think it's cheating. Hey, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever sat down to study and 30 minutes later, somehow you're deep into watching someone build a house out of mud on YouTube? Yep, been there. Then the panic sets in. My exam is tomorrow. Why can't I just focus? Or maybe you open your textbook, read one line, check your phone just for a second, and suddenly it's midnight. If that sounds familiar, keep watching because I'm about to show you how to study so efficiently, it almost feels illegal. And no, this isn't magic. It's not just believe in yourself and work harder. It's a practical, realistic system designed for people with real distractions. Step 1, the 5-minute brain warm-up. Here's a truth nobody tells you in school. Your brain can't jump from TikTok dopamine straight to textbook focus instantly. Trying to study cold, that's like starting a car in 5th gear. It won't work. The hack, 5-minute brain warm-up. For the first 5 minutes, don't really study. Open the book and rewrite the chapter title, or sketch a tiny stick figure summary, or rewrite the first sentence. This gives your brain an entry ramp into focus. After 5 minutes, your mind stops resisting. Suddenly, you're already working. Once you master this, the next step will turbocharge your study speed. Step 2, the illegal speed formula. Here's the part that feels almost cheating. Study what confuses you last. Most people tackle the hardest topic first because teachers say so. Your brain, it screams, nope, let's run away. The legal loophole. 1, start with the easiest example. 2, then go to something medium. 3, save the hardest for last. By the time you reach the tough stuff, your brain is warmed up, confident, and ready to absorb information 10 times faster. Example, math class. Don't jump straight into complex word problems. Start with basic equations. Build confidence, increase speed, reduce confusion. But even this formula fails if your environment is still messy. Step 3, anti-distraction setup. Distractions are every student's worst enemy. If your phone is nearby, you're not studying, you're surviving. Minimalist desk setup. Only keep 3 things on your desk: notes, pen, water. Everything else out of sight. Your brain sees visual clutter as unfinished tasks. Phone hack. Put it behind you, not face down, not beside you. Out of reach equals out of mind. Now that distractions are gone, get ready for the method that makes learning stick instantly. Step 4, the teach it back method. Fastest way to lock knowledge, teach it back. After finishing a page, explain it as if you're talking to a 10-year-old. Simple words, no textbook jargon, just this happens because, it works like, this leads to. Your brain only truly understands something when it can simplify it. You can even draw a small stick figure and teach the page to it. Add this next step and your speed will double. Step 5, the rapid review loop. Most students read once, then forget 90% within days. The fix, rapid review loop. After each session, 1, take 60 seconds. 2, write 5 bullet points. 3, close the book. 4, recall all 5. This transforms your memory. You're not rewriting pages, you're training recall. Recall equals speed. Do this consistently, and you'll feel like you're bending the rules of studying. Full system recap. Warm up your brain with the 5-minute ramp. Build momentum with the speed formula. Eliminate hidden distractions. Teach the material in simple words. Lock in knowledge with rapid reviews. You don't need 6 hours of study. You need the right system. Feeling stressed, behind on work, or guilty about procrastinating? You're not alone. We're all in this together. Try this tonight. Just tonight. Not forever. If you want more videos like this, join the journey. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for your daily self-improvement boost. See you next time, buddy.